Swing it, swing it, swing it.
My cow, we swing lane to
Swing
lane.
it, swing it, swing
Yeah,
it.
I swing my dang lane.
Swing it, swing
Cow,
it,
we
swing
swing
it.
lane to lane. I swing my dang lane. Cow, we swing lane
Swing
to
it,
lane.
swing it,
Swing
swing
my
it.
dang lane. Cow, we swing lane to lane. Swing my dang.
What's up, Juice Gang? It's your boy Juice coming at you with another video. Today we got something that is very interesting. A subscriber named Edgar sent me out a scene of 30K. I guess he must have been watching the videos or something, and he seen that the one that I have is actually it's been around the block. You know what I'm saying? So he I guess had an extra one or whatever the case may have been. I don't know. But boy, you're generous enough to help your boy out. And he sent me a scene, nigga. Yeah. Yo. Edgar, man, I appreciate this shit, man. This the coolest shit since that seat. It almost, I don't know, man. I almost beating that seat. I wanted that seat so bad, but Edgar, from the bottom of my heart, bro, it even came with the now. Yeah, we're gonna do a giveaway for the 10C. The 10C is gonna be signed by me because this bitch is legendary. This motherfucker has been in more wrecks than Walmart got checks. Alright, but check this out though. Man, he hooked me up. Make sure he ain't still this shit. Nah, I'm just playing. I don't even care. Still rocking, man. I appreciate it, guys. If anybody else wants to send me anything, if you notice that my gloves is fucked up, if you notice that my shoes is dirty, I like wearing t-shirts. J-Bo TV hooked me up with a few t-shirts, but you know, the 7 days in the week, you can't be wearing the same damn shirt. So I mean, like, here's my P.O. box right there. So if you guys want to send me something, man, I love shit like this, bro. Just makes everything in life so much easier. So much easier. But Juice Gang, I'm actually gonna put this in tomorrow morning or probably late tonight, but I'm gonna go hop on that bike because you seen it. Getting close as fuck to circles. Close as hell. But Edgar, man, I appreciate it, bro. Man, you guys be more like Edgar, Juice Gang. I appreciate it, but hey, about to hop on this bad bitch right over here. And I'ma holler at you boys in a second. What's up, Juice Gang? Man, we about to get back on that bike. You already know. You got to keep putting that work in every goddamn day you have a chance to. Sometimes it might be raining. It's snowing in a lot of parts of the upper north. So, hey, whenever I get a chance to get on this bike, man, I'm trying to practice and I'm trying to go to the next level. Now, springtime gonna be crazy as fuck. But I'm about to explain what's about to go on right now. Today, what we gonna do, we gonna practice everything. We ain't just gonna practice one thing. We're gonna try to put everything together today. I might drive my bike, I might not, but hey. Currently out here with Bone Dry, and both brought the cowards out here. As you can see, her practicing, just trying to put the foot down and coming back up. Also trying to actually run with it, as you can see right here, running with that hoe like a runaway slave, get back on. This type of stuff is gonna be beneficial for the park. For when I come up to a stoplight, just be able to hop off when the light turn green, hop back on. But it takes a little bit of time and effort, you know. You can't just sit there and force it, because if you force it, it will show. Got little by little. This is actually like day 4 through 6 or something like that. You know what I'm saying? Like, I no longer have any fear of pulling the clutch lever back. It's all about now the timing of basically engaging back on the clutch. Like right now, get back on it. I'm riding the brake too much. I'm not even letting off the brake, I think, sometimes.
Come here for a second. Just for for a second.
Say something to Juice Gang real. Oh, matter of fact, hey, we rolling right now. Hey, come here. Let me say something. I want to say I apologize because Rob Miller, I was supposed to come by that fucking that scrape plate kit for $40. Hey man, this right here, this was a little bit too much more important. Marcus, my bad, I flaked on you too, cause you was gonna weld it on there. My bad, bro. I don't have enough time to be texting this shit, so this is the best way I could put this shit out there in the fucking Jewsa verse. You know what I'm saying? And so, please accept my apologies, but we want to do that shit at a later date. And plus, I got some poutine I gotta wait on later on tonight. So.
I'ma slide tomorrow. I'ma scrape this whole bitch off. I'ma slide tomorrow. I'ma scrape this whole bitch off. I'ma scrape this whole bitch off. I'ma scrape this whole bitch off. I'ma slide tomorrow. I'ma scrape this whole bitch off. I'ma scrape this whole bitch off. I'ma slide tomorrow. I'ma scrape this whole bitch off. I'ma slide tomorrow. I'ma slide tomorrow. I'ma scrape this whole bitch off. I'ma scrape this whole bitch off. I'ma scrape this whole bitch off.
Alright guys, it might not look like much now, but these are definitely the steps you take to get to greatness. And obviously, I'm not trying to be no mediocre type ass nigga, and I'm also trying to keep my bike intact, so that's one reason why I gotta kind of not send it. But I kind of feel like me taking it, saving my bike before it breaks is gonna make me a better rider versus just letting that bitch go and letting God take the wheel. And check this out. Look at Bone Dry trying to do wheelies. Watch this. He thought nobody was watching this. I'm reviewing the footage. We're gonna look at it real quick. What I did notice that he was doing wrong was he wasn't giving a lot of throttle. All right, you gotta take into consideration this stock gearing. So you're gonna wanna put a lot of throttle in it, maybe about like 9,000, 9.5 or something like that. And it's about accuracy and when you let out that clutch lever. You know what I'm saying? It's about timing, all right? There's so many aspects of a wheelie. The only thing you can do is sometimes practice and break it down in little baby steps, you know what I'm saying? So obviously you can see I'm getting a little bit more riskier with my bike and it's gonna pay off because I'm gonna be at a stoplight doing the same shit right here and the light turn green and I'm gonna go. Can't go like that. You don't wanna go out there and you ain't practiced none of this shit in a safe area yet, all right? As you can notice, I haven't been hurt yet, so if I'm able to do this and keep my bike intact, so should you. Let's not forget though, like, all right, Juice Gang, I'm out.
Don't touch my bike, nigga, I'm watching you. Don't touch my bike, nigga, I'm watching you. Don't touch my bike, nigga, I'm watching you. I ride a ninja, so I know Kung Fu. Don't touch my bike, nigga, I'm watching you.